Hello, Shelby County students and families. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. We know you're excited as we kick off a new school year and you get to meet teachers. And I know you've received Chromebooks and the hotspots are rolling out, and also that first day of school paperwork is being completed. Well, this year looks a little different than in the past. This year, we want you to remember some things though. 3 things. Trust. Trust our teachers. They have been working all summer long to plan and organize for Shelby County at home and Shelby County at school. And then recently, at the request of the governor, we were asked to change to non-traditional instruction until September the 28th. At that time, our teacher teams will begin tweaking their plans from NTI to that type of instruction. We will teach from 8 to 4 daily. Schedules have been rolled out and communication is important between teachers and students. And as we have to trust our local, state, and federal health officials with guidelines and advice, we also ask you to trust us, the educational professionals. Let the teachers guide you through NTI and answer any questions that you may have regarding your education or your child's education. The second thing is transparency. As a district, we have pledged to share what we know when we know it, and sometimes things change. But we will be transparent with you regarding all decisions involved in you or your child's education. And finally, teamwork is essential. We ask that you be an advocate for yourself or for your child. Communicate with the school, communicate with the teachers and the principal. In this age of email, text, video communication, and telephone, we have the ability to communicate effectively and often. We'll work together as a team through new and different ways of learning. And also, you do have the Fall 2020 email where you can communicate with us. We can point you in the right direction if you have questions or concerns. And I'll give that to you again. It's fall2020@shelby.kyschools.us. While this year is not what we wanted or what we expected, we are going to be okay. We are learning resilience, fortitude, and problem-solving skills that will last a lifetime. You know, I think back to World War II when 18-year-olds were storming the beaches of Normandy, when the country experienced a real change to their everyday lives. They grew victory gardens, they conserved gas, meat, metal, so the troops could have more. They rationed their food, they helped each other, and they made the very best of a difficult time. We can do this. We know more now. We have technology and we have resources beyond belief. Students will learn and teachers will lead. And we want our families to support and advocate. And we will all be better off for this. So we want you to have a great school year and we want you to know that we are here for you. So if you need assistance, please contact Shelby County Public Schools.